Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the fair value gaps and levels that we had drawn yesterday. And as you can see, Nifty has closed deep into the sell side liquidity one more time. So this is the second day candle that is closing deep inside the sell side liquidity zone. So this time it's even better because it had opened down here, it had opened gap down, and then it bought all the way into a huge liquidity sell side liquidity zone. That's hugely bullish. You have to factor the fact that the result season are up front. The result season are just we are just into the result season, and Nifty is not, at least it is not falling. So that is I see it as positive. So let's just get rid of all the analysis from yesterday. Start afresh. Start with a monthly candle on a monthly time frame. What is the bias on Nifty? So here on this chart, on this table, we have the biases on Nifty. What are the biases we have on Nifty? Right now, I do not have a proper bias on Nifty because there are no higher lows or lower highs formed, and therefore I have do not have a bias. But there are important levels to look out for. Let's just Let's just start with the important levels on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the important levels are these two, 24,337. That's the most important level in Nifty for the last 3-4 months. This is the place where this is the biggest sell side liquidity level on Nifty for 1, 2, 3, 4th month. It's being Nifty struggling to close above this level. And the buy side liquidity is at 22,182. That's down there at least till the end of the month. That is the level. Oops, I just used something. Yeah, going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bullish. And why is it bullish? Take a closer look here. This is a swing low, and we have a higher swing low right here. So higher low, it means buyers are buying at higher level with more confidence, and that is why Nifty is bullish on a weekly time frame. There is a fair value gap that is right here. That's a bullish fair value gap. So if ever Nifty decides to come like fall down or a gap down, then this is a big buy side liquidity zone, and from here it could bounce back always. So that's that. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, again, we have no bias on Nifty. There are no higher lows or lower highs formed. So that just signifies there is no bias on Nifty. It's just confusion. When Nifty came down, there was a red fair value gap that was formed here, but we have sort of 2 days of 2-day green candles which did not respect this fair value gap. It did not fly. So these candles did not just fly upwards, but the sellers in these fair value gaps could not bring it down. So that is a big win for these for the buyers. Now there is a big date. There is a big fair value gap on a daily time frame right here. This huge one. So if Nifty decides to come fall down, then it falls straight into this buy side liquidity. And where is the target for Nifty? Assuming Nifty flies up, all earnings are good. Nifty flies up. This is where Nifty is supposed to halt. That's 24,600. That's where Nifty is supposed to take a halt. If Nifty now, on the contrary to all my analysis, if Nifty decides to come down, then these are the two important levels that we need to look for. These two, this swing high and this swing high, that's 23,500 and 23,400 approximately. These are approximations. So these are the two levels that we need to look out for if Nifty decides to come down. But for me, it is all good, all bullish. Nifty is waiting for a breakout, and that is what is supposed to happen. Now, on a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is bullish because this is a swing low, this is higher swing low. On an hourly time frame, again, it is bullish, even though it was a gap down opening. This is a swing low, and this is a higher swing low. So everything looks good for Nifty. Nifty is supposed to break out from here. I am looking at good results from a few sectors, mainly mid-cap and small-cap financials, pharmaceuticals, auto ancillary stocks. Let's see. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst, and these are just being presented here for educational purpose. Thank you.